Alright, welcome to lesson 3 of how to run ad on TikTok Ad Manager. So if you are new in my channel, my name is ToShow. And then if you are new in my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel. And then if you are subscribed to my channel, you are the real MVP. So let us dive in on how to set up TikTok Ad Manager. Alright, so what you are going to do now is to go on getstarted.tiktok.com. so I've already typed it here. I'm going to display it on the screen. It's already here, so you will click on this sign in icon that is here. You will click on it. So at this junction, I'm going to sign in. Right, I prefer signing in with TikTok. Before I do, I must click on this. I must tick here, agree to all terms and conditions before signing up. Alright, then I click on sign up with TikTok. So I've already logged in my TikTok on this my system, right? If you want to do it, you must have opened your TikTok account on your laptop or your tablet. So can you see that it's already been linked together? Can you see my name here, and then for business, TikTok for business? So then what I will do is already just leave it the way it is, and then you click on continue. All right, okay, so then you will come to this place, create your advertiser account. So you put your business name. All right, let me put okay, let me put never mind. So let me just put never mind. Okay, so this website is optional, just leave it the way it is. All right, okay, let me say never mind class. All right, let me leave it as never mind class. And then this industry, click here, put it. So at this junction, you are going to select your niche, what your business is all about, right? So education, so I will leave it as education, right? So preschool or to degree, professional education, interest and legislature related education. So let me just put it as professional education, so I'm just want to select, I'm selecting something just randomly, this is just for tutorial, right? Okay, I'm just using my DOM account, right? So customize your account more. So you click here, you select your region, which is Nigeria. So the time zone, right, leave it the way it is, then click here. See, you need to tick here, right, so that TikTok will know that you agree to their terms and conditions. So I'll tick here, then I'll click on continue. Okay, so it's loading. So this is what's to pop up. Can you see? It says review and accept our anti-discrimination ad policy and other. So we just click on accept, right? So we click on accept. So can you see this place now that shows switch to full version, right? Please pay attention to this place because we need to click on full version so that we can see the more the full options, all right? We can see the more details of the ad that we want to run. So you need to tick here, switch to full version, right? So I'll tick here, then I will click on confirm. Say this will take you to the full ad manager experience. All sections and progress media will be lost. So what you just need to do is to click on confirm, right? So this is to take us to the full details of TikTok ad manager. Okay, all right. So now, so this is where we are going to hold this class. We will continue in the next class. Finally, we successfully create TikTok ad manager account. This is all about TikTok ad manager. So we are taking it step by step we are going to talk about the next step in the next class. So let us hold it here. We are taking it step by step. All right.